Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at Shipshewana, Indiana, right here at KZRV at their open house. So we have had a wonderful time, so a big thanks to KZ for letting us do this and film all these wonderful units that they have in here. So today we're going to be looking at a 2025 Venture Stratus, model number 241VRK. So let's get started. The length on this Stratus is 28 feet. The dry weight is 5,740, and that hitch weight is 660.
Yes, we're excited. I'm pretty sure this is a new floor plan. I have not seen this one before.
And they just pulled it in, and we thought we were done, and we looked inside and went, oh.
Yeah, we have been filming pretty much all morning. And we thought, okay, we're done. And then we spotted this one and said, oh, no, we've got to show this one too.
We got to do this one.
So it is raining here, so the front cap is a little bit wet on it. But thankfully, they let us come inside to do all of this. So we really, really appreciate this. This is going to have the BLA stabilizing system on it. And for those of you who may be concerned about frames, they do put these on BAL frames. Here on one side of your storage here, and it is pre-wired for solar. Your docking station is going to be right here. Let me see if I can back up enough to kind of get you the side of it. Your dump area is right here. Dodge, goodness, I called it a Dodge Stratus.
A Dodge?
Guys, I was an insurance adjuster for a long time. So I still think in car terms. I can't help it. Moving on down here, here is your other dump area. It is going to give you a spare tire on the back and a ladder. And it is prepped for a backup camera. This does have power stabilizers. I don't think I pointed that out. But you do have the power stabilizers. We will do our very best to get the awning length on this for you, but this is a very long awning.
If this is a new one, it may not be on their website yet.
Yeah,
I don't know.
This floor plan may not be out yet, so we think you're really going to like the inside of this one. But it does have an LED light strip, and let's go ahead and show you the other side of the pass-through real quick. It's right here. And it is going to be prepped with the tire link system. And this little switch, we did find out, actually has some...
Well, there it went. There's the motion lights.
Yeah, we kept thinking that this other little light switch was for lights on the cap, but it actually has some underneath lighting. Yeah. So it's got blue lights, so...
Can't really see them in here.
You can't see them in here, but they are really, really neat. As you can tell, this is going to have 2 entries. But let's start back here at the back, because this is going to be a rear kitchen model. Already you can tell it's got some accent lighting along the floor. And like I said, we thought we were finished filming for the day.
And then they had to bring
this one in.
Wow, this is not the coolest little plan.
And we said, oh no, we have got to show this one.
Let me start back here with opening up these cabinets. There's your maintenance schedule.
Yes, that is something that KZ has just started doing, is adding a maintenance schedule, so that way you know when things are due. Got this great storage here, microwave up here. Love these new hood ranges. Range hood.
Venture.
Yes,
gives you these.
They give you these great cutting boards. This is going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and this looks like the bigger 22-inch oven. But
hang on.
Not solid surface in here, but these are really, really well done cabinets and countertops.
Bank of drawers over here.
3 drawers.
4. 4.
Yes, I can't count.
And then you got this. Look at that.
Great place for a garbage can. And look, more drawers. Now, again, if any of you guys have followed us for any length of time, you know that we have a rear model KZ product. But I'm a little bit jealous of this one.
Let me go ahead and get this pantry
I really kind of am.
Look at that.
Yeah, so they give you this pantry with adjustable shelves.
My goodness. Now, I've got to pull these out.
You're jumping around on me here.
I can't help it. I see so many things.
Yeah, so
You've got
this
storage under here.
storage under this neat little bar area. I just love this.
little bar.
So yeah, and then you got these 2 bar stools that just fit right up there like that. They even have it cut out for a little toe kick underneath. Your controls are up here on this neat little build out. And a plug-in and a USB on the side of it.
Yeah.
And then it's got a little cubby so you could put your phone in there while it's charging. Okay, that's just awesome. I am
I am
jealous.
starting to like these Envision, the fridge and the freezer on
And
the
the
bottom.
freezer on the
like
bottom.
this.
I do like that. Yeah, 12-volt compressor, fridge and freezer. I really like that. Huh. So, finishing out your slide is going to be your theater seating. You are going to have power and USB in the middle. And you got light and heat. No, this is going to be massage and heat. And then another USB port on that.
Wow.
And then turning right around, I'm going to take myself a little seat.
Well, that's still a good 42 inch TV. Yeah.
Good size TV, yeah.
And it's on a swivel, so it'll come out, swivel around. Hang on now. Let me get over
Here's
here.
the AC unit up there. I'll go ahead and show you that real quick.
Wow, look at that.
Oh,
You
yeah.
want to sit there at the bar and
So,
just kind
yeah.
of chill out?
And then they also still give you a dinette in this, so it will make additional sleeping if you have kids with you or a short guest like me. I could do that.
And got a little tote under here.
Yeah.
This side.
Let's see. There's something. I think the
think
water
the
heater furnace maybe.
Furnace was under that one.
That
Yeah.
side. But they give you a plug-in back here in the corner. I love the little Venture sign that
Yep.
they give you, and this wireless Bluetooth speaker. So your AC control is here, and this is going to have a pass-through bathroom, which I know there's a lot of people have a love-hate with these. We have ours, and we love it. But you know, I guess maybe we're weird.
You know what? About the same shower that we have.
Yeah, it looks about the same size. So yeah, skylight up there. So for reference, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Yeah, you can put your elbows out and wash and do the chicken dance and all that good stuff in here.
I'm not going to sing.
But it does give you a shower curtain. Your foot flush toilet is angled, so that gives you lots of leg room in front of it. You will see that your heating is going to be in the floor. Underneath the sink, you've got some storage and a couple of little open areas there. Nice big stainless steel sink, and then you've got your medicine cabinet here in the corner with a mirror.
Wow.
Your water heater control is right there, along with a plug-in and a night light. The bathroom does give you a fan in here. All right, moving into the bedroom. You're going to have a queen-size north-south bed. You've got hanging storage on both sides, storage all the way across the top,
Okay.
and then storage here below. And I love that this is open here on the front.
That is so cool.
And then there's even another space underneath for some shoes. So, great use of space. Back here at the headboard, you're going to have power and USB on both sides, actually. Wow.
And I love this little accent wall they have with the hooks. So
Yeah, let me turn around.
that's actually really cool.
Right up here, you've got this hook. Your TV is going to mount here in this corner. Now, if you're looking for your fuses, they're going to be right down there. And you know what? That's exactly where ours is.
Yep.
Something else. Okay, this one is not prepped for an AC, second AC unit, but they do give you a vent up here. Got a sliding door to get into your bedroom, and then you're actually going to have a second access door to the outside. So, guys, I'm just going to tell you, this bedroom is set up very much like ours, and we like it.
All right, everybody. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this Venture Stratus. We like to say a big thanks to KZRV for allowing us to tour all this they have set up for their open house. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.